Welcome to the first section, Introducing Grok in your Tesla. Grok is xAI's advanced AI assistant, designed to enhance your driving experience with intelligent conversations and vehicle control. Grok combines conversational AI with Tesla's systems to provide a seamless, helpful companion while driving. Grok is available in these Tesla models: Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck. To use Grok, your Tesla needs FSD Supervised version 13.2 or later, which provides the necessary updates for this AI integration. Acting as an intelligent co-pilot, Grok merges advanced conversational AI with your Tesla's existing systems to offer helpful assistance. Grok represents a significant shift from relying on third-party assistants, positioning Tesla with its own xAI-powered AI for a more integrated experience. This video will guide you through setting up Grok, using effective voice commands, and discovering its top AI assistant features to make your drives more enjoyable and efficient. First, link your xAI account by creating one at xai.com if needed. Then, in the Tesla app or the car's settings, navigate to AI and Software, then Grok Assistant. Next, enable Grok on the touchscreen by toggling the Enable Grok option. For voice activation, say, "Hey Tesla, enable Grok," or use the scroll wheel to confirm. The initial setup takes a few minutes and requires a stable internet connection. You can also customize voice preferences, response style, and integrations, and opt into data sharing for improved learning. Grok voice commands start with the activation phrase, "Hey Grok," which you can customize to "Hey xAI" or another phrase that works best for you. This ensures the system knows you're addressing the AI assistant rather than Tesla's native controls. Basic commands cover essential functions like navigation, where you can say, "Hey Grok, navigate to destination" to get routing help. For vehicle controls, try "Hey Grok, turn on the heater to 72 degrees to adjust climate settings." And for general queries, ask "Hey Grok, what's the weather like?" to get current conditions. Grok goes beyond basic commands with advanced natural language processing. It understands context from previous interactions, supports multi-turn dialogues for complex requests, and handles natural language variations. This means you can have conversational exchanges like planning a trip with multiple stops and questions. Importantly, Grok doesn't override Tesla's safety-critical systems like autopilot or emergency braking. Voice commands for these features remain handled by the core Tesla system to ensure vehicle safety and reliability. Grok's best features start with conversational wit that makes every interaction engaging and fun, turning routine queries into enjoyable conversations. Grok seamlessly integrates with the Tesla ecosystem, offering predictive suggestions like optimal lane changes and real-time route adjustments based on traffic and driving conditions. Even without an internet connection, Grok's offline mode handles core queries, ensuring reliability in areas with poor connectivity. Over time, Grok learns from your habits, personalizing responses to match your preferred routes, music, and driving style. Grok responds to visual inputs through the car's cameras, analyzing road signs or surroundings, and can generate images or summaries directly on the touchscreen. For example, asking, "How's my driving?" gets a lighthearted, witty analysis instead of a stern critique, making the experience more enjoyable. Real-world users demonstrate Grok's practical benefits in Tesla vehicles. From long road trips to emergency situations and fleet operations, Grok proves versatile in both entertainment and critical functions. During a 2,000-mile cross-country road trip, a Tesla Model Y owner relied on Grok to optimize routes, suggest efficient charging stops, and provide entertainment through weather updates, trivia, and music recommendations. This made the journey smoother and more enjoyable. In an emergency situation following a vehicle accident, a Tesla driver activated Grok to automatically contact emergency services and relay accurate details about the incident using the vehicle's onboard sensors. This expedited response times and ensured precise information reached responders. In Tesla's delivery fleet operations, Grok optimizes routes for hundreds of vehicles by analyzing real-time traffic and suggesting efficient detours. This has resulted in significant fuel cost savings, demonstrating Grok's effectiveness in large-scale commercial applications. Elon Musk emphasizes that Grok makes Teslas smarter and more fun, positioning it as a key innovation in vehicle AI. Industry analysts from firms like McKinsey predict that Grok will increase Tesla's market share by 5 to 10% by reducing customer churn. A JD Power survey found that 85% of Grok users rate it highly useful for daily driving, compared to 60% for traditional assistants. Grok achieves 95% accuracy in voice command recognition, outperforming rivals by 20%, according to Gartner reports. Early data shows that Grok reduces support calls by 30%, saving Tesla approximately $50 million annually in customer service costs. However, some ethicists from organizations like IEEE urge safeguards against potential AI hallucinations in critical driving commands. The integration of Grok into Tesla vehicles represents a broader trend where AI assistants are becoming standard in autonomous vehicles. Automakers worldwide are embedding large language models to create intelligent digital co-pilots that enhance the driving experience. This trend involves embedding LLMs similar to xAI's Grok model to provide conversational interfaces that handle navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls seamlessly. Current trends emphasize privacy-centric AI, where systems like Grok prioritize user data protection and transparency, allowing users to view and control how their information is used. Voice commands have become the dominant method for in-car interactions, accounting for the majority of user engagements with AI systems in vehicles. Looking ahead, we can expect deeper integration of AI assistants with robotaxi fleets, where these systems will handle passenger queries, route optimization, and even ride-hailing logistics. Future developments will also include multimodal reasoning capabilities, allowing AI to analyze dashcam footage, interpret road signs, and make real-time decisions based on visual and sensor data. Industry analysts predict that by 2030, 90% of all new electric vehicles will come equipped with AI assistant technology, making it a standard feature across the automotive industry. Troubleshooting and tips for Grok. If setup fails, check for software updates or reset via the app. Microphone calibration issues in noisy environments can be resolved by a mic test. Ensure commands are clear, as Grok will prompt for clarification on ambiguity. Stay updated with Tesla software releases for the latest Grok features and improvements. Check Tesla's official website and xAI blog for more info.